voters list compromises the fairness and integrity of democratic discourse. We, the opposition parties, the entire spectrum, from left to TMC, from AAP to Congress, firmly believe that the CEC has forfeited his right to be in that constitutional position. And he has virtually declared war on the opposition parties by his press conference. I will remind him about the press conference done by one of his predecessors, Mr. T.N. Seshan, wherein he had said that I am not part of the Indian government, I am part of the structure of the Indian nation. That was the profound statement done by none other than T.N. Seshan. From the beginning, the government had an ulterior motive to make Election Commission the B team of the government. That was the reason why in 2023, the government brought in a law to circumvent the judgment of the 5-member constitutional bench of the Supreme Court. But I would say that yesterday's press conference of Mr. Ganesh Kumar, he was not speaking everything false or falsehood. One of the golden statements of Ganesh Kumar yesterday was that the country is full of homeless people and orphans. That's why you have zeros in the place of addresses and A, B, C, D, E, F, G in the name of the parents. So he has actually belittled the Prime Minister who claims that there are no homeless people in this country. But according to the Election Commission, there are crores of people who are sleeping on the streets. And we feel that the Election Commission is biased, selective and unfair. Anurag Thakur, according to him, is part of the Election Commission associate. When the journalist asks a question, why are you not responding to the statement made by Anurag Thakur? The response was that my response is graded. Doesn't mean that he's upgrading the status of Anurag Thakur from a politician's status to the constitutional body status. And isn't the fact that Anurag Thakur also had invaded into the privacy of the individuals. He talked about one lady, Maimuna, having 3 votes in Kerala, whereas the so-called Maimuna were 3 individuals in 3 polling booths. So we feel that there is a diabolic game to make the voters list adulterate from Kerala to Kashmir. In Kerala, the lone seat the BJP has won has been managed by unfair, fraudulent means. Suppose the BJP decides they don't have a chance in other constituencies. They will bring all their sympathizers to one constituency and they will concentrate in that seat and they will win. So this has created a situation wherein we have no other option but to ensure that a protest is there so that the constitutional body adheres to the rules of the business.